Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Just Dance on your computer. First, ensure your computer has a stable internet connection and a modern web browser like Chrome or Firefox. Next, download the Just Dance controller app onto your smartphone. This app transforms your phone into the game's motion controller. Finally, connect both your computer and smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network. This crucial step allows them to communicate seamlessly for an uninterrupted dance experience. Once your devices are connected, open your computer's web browser and go to the Just Dance Now website. You'll see a unique room code displayed prominently on the screen. Now, grab your smartphone, open the Just Dance controller app, and carefully enter this code into the app. This action links your phone to the game session on your computer, preparing you to start dancing. It's a quick and easy process to get everything synchronized. With your phone connected, hold it firmly in your right hand. The game uses your phone's motion sensors to track your movements. Watch the on-screen coach carefully and try to mimic their dance moves as precisely as possible. The closer your movements match, the higher your score will be. Don't be afraid to try different songs and challenge yourself. Consistent practice will help you master the routines and achieve impressive scores. If you encounter any connection problems, a quick fix is to simply restart your web browser and the Just Dance controller app on your phone. Also, make sure your Wi-Fi signal is strong and stable. A weak connection can cause lag. For the best experience, consider playing in a well-lit area with enough space to move freely. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. For ultimate comfort and durability, check out Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to those, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your dancing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.